just got off of Accelerator in Knott's Farm. Our first ride of the day was Ghost Rider. And I do prefer Ghost Rider to Accelerator, right? Is that the general consensus?
Yeah, not even close.
Not even close. I mean, I think I was kind of close, but whatever. Now we're gonna head over to Coast Rider, which is like a Wild Mouse, and then Hang Time, which I'm actually pretty excited for. Okay, so quick little update. We rode Hang Time 2 times. I thought it was okay. Nice little filler. I rode Accelerator again. He didn't because he doesn't really like it and he had something to do on his phone. And then we rode Scrambler and Flyers. And now we're gonna go ride Coast Rider after, Pony Express after this. And right now we're in line for Voyage Siren Reef. Okay, so now we're gonna go grab some lunch. We just got off of Pony Express. Definitely exceeded my expectations. We also hit up Voyage to the Iron Reef. We thought it had a lot of potential, just wasn't really, that amazing. Definitely the favorite right now is Ghost Rider. Really, really fun ride. Right now, like I said, we're gonna go eat at the Boardwalk Barbecue because it was the highest reviewed place and looks really good. And then we're gonna go ride Silver Bullet, Montezuma's Revenge, give you some re-rides. So yeah, everything is great right now. Let's grab some pork and some ribs, please. I'm sorry? That's fine. No, I'm fine. Just plain. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we just, still haven't ridden Silver Bullet yet. Well, we know that has fast lane, so no big deal. But, yeah. We just rode Jaguar and Montezuma's Revenge. Both were okay. The log fume does not have fast lane apparently, but it is like a 3-hour wait. I'm not waiting that for a log fume, so it's fine. We're gonna ride Silver Bullet now for the first time. Okay, we're about to go ride Ghost Rider a bunch more times, probably in a marathon that if we can. Ride it back, front. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, so we're gonna leave Knott's Farm right now. However, it's only around 4 o'clock. My dad and I are gonna be going to a video conference, video game conference, EA Play. And then we're gonna come back to the park at around 6:30. Hopefully lines have gone down a little bit and we're probably gonna stay till close or until we feel like we've done everything. We just got a boysenberry shake. Alright, we just left the park and came back. About a 3-hour time frame, 4 hours from when I last updated camera. And then we're walking back to the park in this parking lot that's literally 6 miles away. Anyway, we just got off of Ghost Rider, somewhat night ride. It's definitely dark out, but it's not like night yet, you know. It was really awesome. He likes it a lot more than I do. I still really like it, but yeah, so it's definitely awesome. The park is really starting to come alive. The wait times are less than they were this morning, but still pretty substantial. We're gonna head in here and get some shirts. We're gonna go get Accelerator. Thank you.
Maybe 515.
Actually, might have something small.
I don't know if you can quite see me right now because it's actually quite dark now, but we just did hang time with all the lights initiated. We were gonna do accelerator, but they have like a weird problem with the line because it was like the fast lane queue was just as long as the normal one, which was an hour, and we weren't gonna wait an hour when the park is gonna close in an hour. So we're gonna go over to Ghost Rider, maybe ride 2-3 times. Yeah.
This line
Okay, so you definitely cannot see me now, but we just got off of Ghost Rider twice, and now we're going back over to hang time before riding Ghost Rider one more time, and then we're gonna be heading out. So very eventful. Because there's a show going on. I feel like there's a show going on everywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, like the park's nightlife is very eventful. I should say that. Well, that wraps up our day here at Knott Farm. Pretty nice park. They just need one more really, really good coaster. And then their top 3 is complete, I think. But in terms of the park aesthetic, I think it's really nice. And yeah. Ghost Rider is definitely the best ride in the park. It's not even close. Like, it's not even close. But yeah, hopefully we come back one day.